What's the meaning of blue? Blue. Blue.
Blue. Blue. The word blue has multiple meanings depending on its context. As a verb, it can mean to create a current of air or other gas. For example, the wind blew hard and knocked over the trees. It can also refer to the act of forcefully expelling air from one's mouth, as in blowing out candles on a cake. Additionally, it can be used to describe a sudden explosion or outbreak, such as the whistle blew signaling the start of the game. In slang terms, it can mean to spend money excessively, as in I blew all my savings on a new car. Overall, blue is a versatile word with various meanings.